Hi guys and welcome to a new video. I'm Wataya and I'm here to teach you 5 drone movements for you to stand out. I've been flying these drones for over 5 years now and I can tell you that this is a very powerful filmmaking tool. These camera movements I'm gonna talk are very different from what you've seen in so many travel videos. So let's get started. First of all, your drone shots must enhance your story. It must establish where you are to the viewer, and don't be afraid to delete your footage if it doesn't help you to develop your video. Otherwise, your audience will feel bored with your drone shots. And try to film some actions during the shot as well. It makes your footage more dynamic. And for the first movement is the dive shot. You can use this type of camera movement to enhance the height of the subject. And to achieve it, you only need to go forward, down, and then tilt your camera down as well. You can also do it in some waterfalls. In this case, I just went forward and then tilt my camera down. You can use the low angle shot to give more movement to the footage. It's very simple but powerful, because there's always something new passing through the image, and to avoid crashing your drone, you must be behind it and in your eye level. And don't forget to turn off the collision sensors. This movement is kind of a review shot but backwards. To get this result, you must go backwards and then down and tilt up the camera. I found it easier if you try one movement at a time. In this particular one, I went sideways as well. You just need to match the same speed as the boat and then go backwards, downwards, and then tilt up the camera. As you can see, that's my favorite one because it gives a very nice perspective of the subject. Even a car passing through a bridge is beautiful to watch. In this flight, I went further. I filmed in the daytime and then I waited until it's dark. I marked some spots to be in the same position, and that's the result. This fourth movement is a classical orbital with something extra. I tilted the camera up to reveal this stone. It's a massive stone, so I had to move the camera in order to include that in the composition. In this case, I flew low to the ground to get the foreground moving fast, and it feels more cinematic. In this case, you must use sport mode. You can use this movement to reveal something bigger. It's a composition trick to surprise your audience. Be aware when flying sideways to avoid crashing your drone, and always check your surroundings before making a movement. That's an extra movement for you guys, and this is the review shot. Just fly upwards, forwards, and then tilt your camera down. It's interesting because you reveal something new to the audience. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you found it helpful, please share this video, subscribe, and hit the like button. And I see you in the next one.